Yeah. What's up, my beautiful people? Yeah, man. Back on it another Sunday evening, you know. Yeah, man, looking at me hand. First way in my hand, you know what I go on. I have 2 coconut figure oxen now. Yeah, man. Cook some rice and peas and brown soup chicken. Some more. Tune in and like up a video. Tell a friend. Yeah. Man, I see what I go on with them coconut. Check them out. Yeah, my people. I got cheap dry as I say, you know. I get the most out, you know. So guys, see what I go on there. Yeah, man, I get the greater line up, you know. Yeah. Yeah, guys, look over there. Yeah, man, we're there in the kitchen for the first day. Kitchen not finished still. Kitchen a work pan. But we're there in the kitchen a cook. Yeah, we're there I cook some rice and peas in the sun there. Check out what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah, man, like up the video. Tell a friend. Subscribe to the channel. Look what I go on in the kitchen. Yeah, man, we got some chicken right there. So, the coconut one I just broke. I'm broke with my machete now. Ox it out. See me grater. Yeah, man. Got my grater, I forgot to use grater. If you check out the video, so when I make the punch. Yeah, the blender will burn up. Yeah, man, check out that video there when I make the peanut punch. So right now I grate and I for grate some coconut, you know. Yeah, and I even know, I don't know how long that will take me. Yeah, but we have to cook some food, you know. You been to the market and get some stuff still. Irish carrot, yeah, man, some beetroot or so. Make some juice later. Yeah, man, put a grater, everything I for grater. Check out what I go on the fire. Got some peas right there, so bubble down. Some garlic. Yeah. Look at that. Whoa. Yeah, my people, and outdoor me there today. Unfinished kitchen on my work on it. Yeah, man, on this side project building on my people. Yeah. See what I go on in that peas pot there. Bubble down. Bubble no people, and meat a story. Yeah, man, my people, it a go down, you know. Yeah, some round red peas. Yeah, man, garlic in it. And drop 2 more peg of garlic in it. Drop 2 more peg of garlic. Yeah, some mango there. Yeah, man, I have a mango up on the fridge at out. It full it out, you know. Yeah, I soon show them I eat the mango there. Alright, see garlic them, you know. I drop 2 more in there. The peas go and cook them, so in the meantime the peas are cook. Yeah, I get the chicken seasoned up on the coconut grater. Yeah, and then we'll just put everything together before night get you. You see me, car? Look over there. Outdoor kitchen, you know? Yeah, man, everything fully active. Look where I go and feed mango. Whoa. Yeah, man, fully cool. After I freeze it, I take it, you know. Full it out now. Let's taste it. Yeah, man. Man, I eat this, people. I eat. Man, I project build this. Eh? Man, the project build. Support the project build now. Out here in the Sunday, I cook some food, you know. Say people, it tastes like smoothie. Full of juice. Words can't explain how it's refreshing. You know, so I have 2 more up on the fridge, my people, inside there. Yeah, man, now this, I walk up in the kitchen. Right through there, huh? See that? See, I have all my soap and my scotch brite and my bleach here, so. Yeah, man, I cook some food and I mash up a mango. People can see all that juice are not. People, I follow this mango, I don't finish cook no food. Here I go and catch me a great coconut. I just break the coconut in after I just mash up mango, you know. Look where I go on. Coconut big, my people, man. I tell you, say cup big. And some of the water run out, you know, look there. Enough of water run out, man. But A lot's left in the cup, me I tell you. Catch me a drink so. I tell you some people watch it. Yeah man. One more dive, we are diving night again. Still not done, my people. I'm a belly full. Get you back. Yeah, man. It's still not done. Yeah, man. It's alright. I get this thing great up on the grater, you know, physically greater, you know. And no blender is here. Alright. Yeah, guys. Fully active. Yeah. If you want to reach so far in our video, make sure you want to like up the video and leave a comment. Also, most important thing, subscribe. Yeah man, fully cut up the chicken already. Yeah man, see what I go on there. Yeah guys, chicken fully cut up. I have some browning punny. Excuse my little drinking. Yeah man, a Sunday, you know, I just step on a little light beer. Let's see over there so. Alright, see browning here now. Yeah, I have some scotchy pepper here. I cut it up punny. You remember the seasoning in the last video? Yeah, check out the video you saw me that I have seasoning. Yeah, you see all our ingredients I'm using in the seasoning. Yeah man, it in up on the fridge. I this left out tight, you know. Yeah man, I just throw it on the chicken. Cause some brown stew chicken. See me have coconut oil. Yeah man, brown stew chicken, you know guys. Yeah. But here I go on. A twist to this brown stew chicken. Look over here so. Alright, we got a one baked bean in it, you know. Yeah man, I drop that in as in it, you know. One baked bean, brown stew chicken with bean, you see me. Yeah man, rice and peas setting. Yeah, because see what I go on that pot, you know. If peas sound like you almost cooked, guys. I'm gonna finish great coconut. I'm even start see coconut over here, so. Yeah man, I'm even start great recipe back over here, so. Start grater, see grater yeah, fully active up. Yeah man, a brand new grater I'm buy, you know. Yeah man, this morning I buy the grater there market, you know, say a 500 Jamaican dollar. Comment how much at in US. Yeah man, can blend the burn up so. And for a build the muscle with some coconut. Cause see what I go on a piece pot. Yeah. Yeah man, peas look like them fully cooked now, people. Rice and peas setting nice on there, you know. Yeah, peas active up, you know. Alright, make that go and do thing. Yeah, make that go and do thing. Alright. So I deal with over here, say chicken. People put towel right, that's when I'm use me on. So me used to it still. You know. Alright, I get the chicken active up now. Yeah. Go and sip on one beer, you know. Yeah man. So I tell all the people and support the channel, you know. Cause this project bill is all about building up my kitchen and my bathroom. Yeah. Right here. The doorway gonna be right here, so through there. Through there is my room. Yeah, coming right here. In this section here. Gonna be where the magic happen. Where the food cooking. Yeah. The kitchen setting. Project bill. Support the cash app. Although I don't create the cash app yet, but support it when I create it. Alright, so what I go on there. Yeah man, I already had some of this on it already. Yeah, this is for next time. Now you see what I add some more stuff. I go. Oh, this is for next pot. Yeah man. Smell like you can eat already, people. Add some browning on it. Yeah. Yeah man, so I get it fully covered now. No more browning than that. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful. Can you smell that? Alright the people, yeah man, fully active up. So I get that fully marinated and get the coconut grated. Yeah, cause night I come as you can see in the background. Yeah. Night is coming about after 5 now. But I have to get this food up and running. Stay tuned. Fully active. Yeah, it's that time again. Catch me adding the rice now. Yeah man, the rice fully washed out, you know? Yeah, look at that, guys. Beautiful. Yeah, that is it. Yeah man, fully active. Alright, so I'm gonna get the frying pot on the fire now. Yeah, catch me and fry up some brown stew chicken. Meantime rice I cook. Slowly and easy. Beautiful. Yeah, subscribe to the channel. Yeah man, out here do the right thing, you know? Yeah, fully active. Like up the video. Alright, you know, I like you know when people. So go on there. We'll have to add some chicken and I don't know. So go on. Yeah. Yeah man. Right over so. Whoa. Holy. First of all, the camera. Don't switch, you know. Look active. We have some coconut. You simmer it down in some coconut milk. Yeah, and then we got a one bean. You simmer it down to in another bean. So we have some brown stew chicken with bean. Baked bean. Simmer down in coconut milk. Yeah. Cook down with carrot and all of these stuff. Yeah, man. Fully active on my people. Yeah, man, wanna subscribe to the channel and support the channel. Support the project Bill. Out here. Yeah. And look what I go on. Kitchen active. Yeah, man, the kitchen active, the people. I ain't even done yet. Fully active. One brown stew chicken over there. So. Yeah, there's something over there. So. Subscribe to the channel. Go on the chicken. Yeah. Yeah man, the chicken is simmer down people. That will about 10 more minutes in the video. I want to go down before night, you know. So it get dark, you know. As you can see. I got no light in here, you know? Yeah, and it's about after 6 you know, I go to 7 p.m. in the night. Yeah, but we're out here full active. Beautiful my people. Yeah, to cover up back if you want to see about 10 more minutes. See rice fully up. Lock off the fire. Yeah, so I'm out here and I'm people. Yeah man, outdoor kitchen, you know. They are going to sip on my one stripe in the Sunday evening. Yeah. Yeah man, the people them like up the video. Share the video. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Also support the project Bill. Yeah, so catch me when I eat some food before it get dark.